What's up, you guys? Welcome back for another video. In today's session, I'm going to show you guys one of the trader I'm currently waiting on to call for the team and to actually take it for myself as well. Right, this is GBPUSD. I'm currently waiting for GBPUSD to create the next higher low for me to buy it and for me to call it for the team. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Mino. I go by Mino Boom, and I'm a full-time day trader and a mentor to about 60 students. If you guys ever want to be part of this community, feel free to follow me on Instagram at BoomingFX and to also send me a DM and I'll get you guys started, right? But without further ado, man, let's just dive into this video. Day trading is not about having only a good strategy. It is also about having a proper risk management to have a solid trading plan. And you must be extremely patient and extremely disciplined for you to make it, right? It is one of the hardest things to do, but I'm telling you guys, man, if you put your all into it, it should pay off, right? So this is GU on the daily time frame. As you guys may know by now, the first thing you have to do on daily time frame, you have to ask yourself, is the market is trending up or is it trending down? If it is trending up, guys, you should be looking for nothing but buyers only. Do not counter trade. It means the market is bullish. Do not go against the trend. If the market is trending down, it means the market is bearish. You should be looking for sales only and do not counter trade, right? As you guys can see, GBPUSD is currently trending up. And now the next question is, when is it going to be a good time to get in? Because you cannot just be buying GBPUSD at any given area of the market, right? You must wait for the market to actually create a proper structure, like in this case, a proper higher low for you to get in, right? If the market is trending up, guys, you should be getting higher lows and higher highs. The first thing you have to do in the daily time frame again, guys, is to actually identify the trend. In this case, GBPUSD is currently trending up. And the second thing you have to do, guys, is to actually mark your key structures because, yet again, if the market is trending up, guys, you must be getting higher lows and higher highs, right? As you guys can clearly see, this is a low, right? And the market went all the way up to give you a high, right? And then it came back down to give you a, right, guys, a higher low. Then went all the way up to give you a higher high, right? And then it came back down to give you a higher low, right? Then went all the way up to give you a higher high. Yet again, guys, if the market is trending up, you're going to be getting higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. And then your goal should be is to get in at the next higher low. Do not be buying GBPUSD up there because you have to wait for GBPUSD to retrace to give you the next higher low for you to get in. So now, guys, the third and final step to do is to use your Fibonacci retracement to tell you when to get in, right? So all you have to do is go to Insert, Fib, right? You're going to have to place your fib from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high, and then the market should give you a proper higher low between the 50% and 61% retracement for you to get in. Let's try it, guys, right? So this is the higher low, this is the higher high, right? Place your fib, right? And guess what, guys? You're gonna have to wait for the market to create a nice, proper higher low between the 50% and 61% retracement for you to get in. As you guys can see, the market went between the 50% and 61% retracement to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touches there. And then since then, guys, it took off to smash your TP1 at the 0% because you're gonna have to use TP. Because TP1 is always going to be your previous structure, which is this guy, right? Going all the way up to smash your TP1, and then went all the way up again to smash your TP2 at minus 27, right? It is that easy, guys, to use the strategy, but you must be extremely, extremely, extremely patient in order for you to make money with the strategy, guys, right? The minute you get in at the 61.8%, you're gonna have to place your stop loss below the structure. In this case, I usually place my stop loss at the 78.6, right? And you're gonna have to use 0% for TP1 and minus 27% for TP2, right? So we did catch that move a couple of weeks ago or last week or something on a couple of weeks ago actually on GBPUSD. We made some money from the buy, and now we're currently waiting for the market to create the next higher low for us to get in. So you're gonna have to repeat the same process again, guys, right? You have to go to Insert, Fib, right? You have to place your fib from the most recent higher low, right, to the most recent higher high, and then you're gonna have to wait for the market to create a beautiful higher low for you to get in between the 50% and 61% retracement, right? So once the market drops to the area of interest, which is the 50%, 61% retracement, you're gonna have to wait for the market to actually respect this area, which is the same thing that it did over there to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The more touches, the better, right? The minute the market creates the higher low, you're gonna have to get in on the buy, place your stop loss at the 78.6%. You're gonna have to ride it all the way up for TP1 at the 0%, right? Which is where the previous structure was. And then you can even ride it up all the way even more, right, to minus 27% for TP2. Right? Keep in mind, guys, if the market is trending up, it must be getting higher lows and higher highs, which means the market must pass the previous structure, the previous higher high to give you the next higher high, right? But it is very crucial to actually target 0% for your TP1 first, right? So this is pretty much the setup that I'm currently waiting on. It is July 22nd, and I'm currently waiting for GBPUSD to actually give me the next higher low between the 50% and 61% retracement for me to call the buy for the team. And then we most likely going to make money off of it because we are following the trend. The market is bullish. We're looking for buys only. And then we place our key structures, the low, the high, the higher low, the higher high, the higher low, the higher high. Then all we have to do is place our fib from the most recent higher low to the most recent higher high. And then we're just waiting for the market to create the next higher low, the next structure between the 50%, 61% retracement. We're going to get in and smash our TP1 at the 0% and minus 27% will be your TP2, right? So this is a strategy that I use. Hopefully you guys can take the time to actually watch this video over and over and over again until you master this strategy, because the strategy should be able to make you money, but you must have a proper trading plan and you must have a good risk management in order for you to become a full-time day trader, right? So thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.